Welcome back to Techtonic. Today we're diving into the powerhouse behind 5G telecommunication spectrum. Ever wondered how 5G delivers blazing fast internet and ultra-low latency? It all starts with the 5G spectrum, which is the invisible backbone powering this wireless revolution. In this video, we'll break down the types of 5G spectrum, their frequencies, advantages, challenges, and how they're managed globally. Let's decode the spectrum behind 5G. The 5G telecommunication spectrum refers to the radio frequencies used to carry 5G signals. It's divided into three main bands: low band, mid band, and high band, also known as mmWave. Each band offers a unique balance between coverage, speed, and latency, making them essential for different use cases. Let's start with low band, that is typically below 1 GHz, like 600 MHz or 700 MHz. It offers wide coverage and excellent indoor penetration, which makes it perfect for rural and suburban areas. However, speeds are modest. Think more like enhanced 4G than full 5G. Use cases include nationwide coverage, IoT connectivity, voice services, and basic mobile data. Next, we have the mid-band, which is usually in the 1 to 6 GHz range. Common bands include 2.5 GHz, 3.5 GHz, and 4.9 GHz. It provides the best mix of speed and coverage, making it ideal for urban and suburban areas. Slightly less effective than low-band indoors and prone to more interference. Perfect for enhanced mobile broadband, enterprise 5G, and smart cities. Alright, now let's dive into high band or mmWave, and this is the range that covers frequencies above 24 GHz, like 26 GHz, 28 GHz, and 39 GHz. Pretty impressive, right? It's known for delivering ultra-fast speeds and ultra-low latency, which is, kind of amazing. But here's the catch. It has a limited range and, well, poor penetration. It can be blocked super easily by walls, glass, and even something like rain, so it's not perfect everywhere. However, it's ideal for certain scenarios. Think dense urban areas, stadiums and airports, augmented and virtual reality applications, and even fixed wireless access. Pretty cool stuff. Globally, spectrum is allocated and regulated by national bodies, like the FCC in the US, Ofcom in the UK, ICED in Canada, and TRAI in India, typically through spectrum auctions. On an international scale, the ITU, or International Telecommunication Union, helps coordinate spectrum usage to reduce interference and ensure global compatibility. Each spectrum band comes with trade-offs. Low band gives you wide coverage but slower speeds. Mid-band offers balance. High band delivers incredible speed but only over short distances. That's why most operators use a layered or hybrid approach, combining all three for the best results. As 5G matures, efficient spectrum management will decide how well countries and networks can compete in the digital era. So the next time you're enjoying 4K streaming or lag-free gaming on your phone, remember that it's the 5G spectrum doing the heavy lifting. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Techtonic, and tap the bell icon for more simplified deep dive tech content. Fast, fun, and factual.